Smirnoff in the bagel.
Don't they have
Smirnoff in the bagel? No, this is we're doing a tasty recipe, Britt.
Could do.
And it's like a 2-ingredient bagel recipe.
It
is. It's actually 4.
Maybe I'll have some Smirnoff with the bagel, Jayhawker.
Proper is scuffed.
Pizza in the evening. Pizza.
Some of those bagels look like they've been slapped hard.
I'm sorry, I got a bit sorry.
Yo, these looking good, dude.
Nice.
At Spartan 1640 rude, I'm going back it.
Okay. Should I use the floor griddle for this, for the bacon?
Please. They actually look
Dude,
pretty
honestly,
uniform.
I don't think I can use the floor griddle.
I
dude.
like the peepo bagel you got there.
But cake philosopher save us.
The peepo bagel? Where do you see a peepo bagel?
I don't know. Just Crypto saying I like the peepo bagel you got there.
There's an emote that looks like a bagel, but
Okay,
it's a
On
donut.
the edge.
Oh.
On the edge? What the hell are you talking about, dude? Peepo bagel?
Wide fried.
Camille lol.
Alright, you going?
Dude, how do I open this bacon?
It's Sassy Steve visited an elf on your fridge.
Bagel.
Kebabs, is it an elf on my fridge? It's like this sort of like... It's like this... What do you call this? It's like a paper fit warrior. And there did happen to be a little...
It's a what?
And a half.
Wide scammed? Wait, what happened?
Oh, this is good.
How'd you get wide scammed?
Yeah.
Call her again? Oh, you redeemed... Dude. No, dude, I can't keep calling her, dude.
He is the handsome Sassy.
He's very, yeah, thank you. Came with the apartment. He's been in this apartment I have.
AWH, look at
I'll
him.
call her.
I love him, Sassy.
I'll call Egypt in a bit. Oh, I just cut this for no reason. It was already open, dude. The hell? I'll call Egypt
Call a
after
random
the
person
proposal
in
shit.
your phone instead.
Let me know when your oven's preheated.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's not. It's at 240 right now.
Okay. So close.
Yo, this shit smells
Pan
great.
fry
This shit
that
is
bacon.
smoked, dude. Pan fry it?
He's so happy to pick up today after ghosting us for a month. Let's not ruin it yet, Cafe. Oh,
True, honestly, Kara, true,
Call
dude.
her from a new number and use a voice changer.
That's way too much work.
Any timers.
Thank you, Cole.
Alright, thank you.
Definitely
Looks
will
like
need
good
timers.
bacon. Am I getting refunded? I want to live with my mistakes this time.
I am on the
Yeah, you're
wall
gonna-
tonight.
You'll get the refund, dude.
We making
But
some
I
dough.
also, I will, wait, refunded for what? I thought that was fucking olives, dude.
I love emergency meeting.
Who's
I
organizing
didn't
the
want
meetings?
it.
The company, obviously. The board.
What are these meetings about, dude?
The board wants to. The board. See, I'm okay. So I'm on the.
What the hell is even being discussed at these meetings, dude?
That's a great question.
Not invited, Camille.
I'm literally the center of the meeting, Kebabs. What do you mean I'm not invited?
Honestly, we need more meetings.
They're literally sitting there talking about me.
That's
We
right.
need more meetings.
We're also talking about me.
True.
Ha ha, you wish camel.